Hi, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So today we are doing a little tutorial of this design here. Then we'll go ahead and price it, how much we'll be selling it, and at the end of the video I'll introduce the next episode, so make sure you watch to the end so you know exactly what we'll be doing in the next episode. And if you are new, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you're old, you know the love is deep. Thank you so much for coming back. I'm using 0.25 beading thread. I've put a needle at each end of the thread. What the materials used will be in the description box, so you can check them out after the video. I'm just going to pick 3 bicones. I'm using bicones, pearls. So I picked 3 bicones and I'm going to cross thread with 1, just like so. I just put the needle together so that I don't get one thread being longer than the other, and I pull the bicone all the way down to join the 3 I picked earlier, and this is what I have. I'm just going to pin it down so you know exactly what is going on. So once that was done, I went ahead to pick 2 bicones, 1 pearl with my right needle, and I'm going to pick 1 pearl and 2 bicones with my left needle. Just look at how I'm picking it carefully. The left needle picked 1 pearl and 2 bicone, whilst the right needle picked 2 bicone and 1 pearl. That's the difference. So this is how it should look like at this point. Then I'm going to cross thread with 1 bicone. So just pick on one of the needle and you pass the other needle towards your opposite direction, basically that. So let's try a couple of times and then we'll be out of here. I'm going to pick 1 pearl, 2 bicones on the left, just like so. Then I'm going to pick 2 bicone, 1 pearl on the right. Just like so. Then I'm going to cross thread with 1 bicone. You can see it's very easy, right? It's very easy and very simple. So just watch closely, you surely get it. Just watch closely, and we'll get back when we have to. So once I got to the length I want, I just picked 3 bicones on 1 needle. Then I went ahead to get rid of the needles and I tied a knot just like so. Mind you, I didn't cross thread this time around. I just picked 3 on 1 thread and I went ahead to tie the 2 threads together. Yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much if you have. and just join the family. You know how we do it. Just join the family. So I'm just going to get rid of the excess thread, and guys, this is how it looks like. This is episode 16, neatly smashed. I'm just going to finish it up real quick. I'm using these rings, jump rings, and I'm using this is how it looks like. I have the bigger one and the smaller one, and I'm using this clasp ring. So I'm just going to attach one of the jump rings to the clasp ring. So just go into it just like so. Then I attach it to my main bracelet, just like so. It's very easy to close and open, so you don't really need any tool. Then I went ahead to attach one to the other end of the bracelet. Then I closed it just like so. And I realized if I leave it this way, it will be short. So I just went ahead to add a couple of rings. This rings has already been put together. So I'm just going to attach it to the one we just added, just like so. And guys, this is episode 16. Is very, very nice, very, very simple and easy to do. Like, let me know. Now the question is, how much are we going to sell it? How much do you think we should sell this one? I'm leaving it to you. Let me know in the comment section how much you think we should sell this very gorgeous design here. And if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe, and let's welcome episode 17. Yeah guys, so this is what you're doing, episode 17. Yeah. And if you've not subscribed, like at this point, if you've not subscribed, you know what to do. Just hit that subscription button and turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment episode 17 is uploaded. I'm sure you want to know how this gorgeous design is done. It's just part 2 of what we just did, so we are just going to finish it up real quick. And yeah, that's basically episode 17. And at the end of the video, there will be a screen, an end screen, so you can check the previous episodes out. We are still on season 2 of the Beading series. Thank you so much. And yeah, we've hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. And happy Vows Day to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for always coming back. And I'll see you in episode 17. Bye.